Getting ready to walk down here and chop up some wood. We're gonna have a family get together here in about a month or so, and thought we might want a bonfire, so I thought I'd start splitting a little bit of wood for it. Since we had some extra firewood and it was nice out that evening, we decided to set out and build a small fire and relax.
Alright, get my second hot dog done.
Watching a hot dog cook above a fire.
Time to flip it over. Cook the other side a little bit.
We're looking at the Hunter's Moon. It's the first full moon in October. We're about to get some rest. We're staying in our off-grid cabin, and we'll get up in the morning and we'll head out to Kanawha State Park. We'll see you then. Good morning. We're getting up, getting ready to go out for another day of adventures in the mountains. When we took off this morning, it was quite foggy out. It cleared off later on in the day and turned into a really nice day, but we have a lot of foggy mornings here in the mountains, so something that we're used to.
Turn right to stay on Range Road at State Forest Connell Road, then you will arrive at your destination.
All right, here at Kanawha State Park, not too far from Charleston, West Virginia, and we're about to go on a trail here. We're gonna take the Davis Creek Trail and check it out. There's a small parking lot here. When you pull in, looks like there's space for 7 or 8 vehicles.
Wet grass, huh?
Mm-hmm.
This is mowed.
Yep. Out here during the first week of October, and temperature's about, I'd guess, 72 degrees out. There's the Middle Ridge Trail here to our left, which we're going to bypass. I'll put some information up here on the screen so you have address and phone number and information on the park, just in case you want to go there and check it out sometime.
We got a new video camera today, and I'm excited to try it out and use it, and hopefully it'll work out well.
Looks as if they keep this trail pretty well maintained. So far it's been mowed and no rocks or anything, and the trail's been pretty smooth walking so far. Got a small creek here along the side. I believe it said this was Davis Creek. And we're up to the point where there's a walking bridge going across Davis Creek and another small parking area where you can easily fit 3 or 4 cars. And as soon as you come off the footbridge, there's Davis Creek Trail sign. Trail quickly gained some altitude here. We're getting up above the creek a ways. See the creek down there below us? Little pools dammed up. Some little area dammed up in the past. Make some little wading pools and stuff in here. And the trail is marked fairly well. Got some yellow blazes here on the trees. They're pretty easy to see.
That pool was really clear and clean.
Yeah. There's actually some areas across from us, looks like for picnicking. Some areas to walk down to the creek. It's kind of hard to see through the trees, but there's like a large grass area over there. It's fenced off. Be pretty easy to have a little picnic over there. And there's a little dock of some type up there. Not sure if that's something that people would ever fish from or not, but there is a deeper pool in the creek right in front of it. Another yellow blaze on this tree, so they've got it marked probably better than it needs to be. It's an easy trail to find your way on. It's well traveled, marked well. You'd have to try to get lost in this one here. Looks like we're coming up on another footbridge here. Another fairly large pool here of water along this creek. This is not a very big creek, but there's a lot of small rock dams that are in this creek. They're holding it back, and it's making a lot of pools here that are a little bigger and a little deeper in this small creek. Another blaze. Got a tree here, fell across the trail. This whole area seems to just kind of be a recreational area down here. Looks like there's somebody actually bike riding across the way there on the road. Yep, got some turkey tails hanging out on that tree, some old turkey tail fungus there. They're doing their job, they're breaking that tree down.